What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode. Now, on this episode, we're going to talk about where we left off in regards to the last analysis that I did, right? And the last analysis that I did, basically, it was around this level over here. So price was around this zone right here, right? And I was under the impression that price was going to go down. And reason why I was under that impression that price was going to go down. So if I get my thingamajig up, okay. This was the trend line that I drew. And I was expecting price to come all the way down here. Come all the way down here, right? What happened was, and this was something that I actually should have seen. I should have seen it, but I didn't. Which was, it came down to this level over here. So these high points right here. And then it did a push to the upside. So it came down to this level right here. And then it pushed to the upside, right? So I got closed out with my stop. So my stop took me out. It was actually a large stop because I was expecting to be in it for a little while. It didn't work out that way. So that's what happened. I got stopped out. But at the same time, it also gave me a positive signal as well. And this signal is what I want to talk to you about. And that is the push that we have up here. So let me just zoom in so we can get a much better look as to what we're talking about. So this push up here, okay, eventually price is going to break down. So eventually price is going to break down. But what is done at this level is that it's giving me a very high degree of confidence, okay? So, well, it's giving me a very high degree of confidence, and I'm going to get rid of a few things on the screen just to show you exactly what it is I'm talking about. So we're just going to get rid of this Fibonacci and everything here, and I'll just explain it, right? So it's gone above, right? And this over here is a high. It's a high point, and it's closed above it. So what am I expecting at this point right now? What do I think is going to happen? Well, this is what I think is going to happen. Price is going to break down from this level, okay, and come down to either to this zone or come back down to this zone, yeah, giving us a double bottom. Okay, that's a potential scenario. It doesn't have to do that, by the way. It can continue pushing up, but that's what I think price is going to do. I think price is going to come down to about this level right here, right? So if I just mark out the zone, and then once price gets down to this level, it's then going to push back up. It's going to push back up, okay? I'm just trying to, no, I don't want that. It's going to push back up to about this level right here. If I can just get this to do what I want it to do. So let me just go into the daily real quick. Okay, so we've got a lot going on here. There's a lot of noise in this area, so we're just going to get rid of a few of them because we don't need these anymore. So this is the level where I think price could come back to give us a double bottom. So it's first bottom over here, second bottom over here. It could actually stop off a little bit higher, okay? So it could actually stop off about here, giving us an inverted head and shoulders from here to the head over here, and come back down to create the shoulder and then shoot up. But either way, what I'm expecting is I'm expecting price to head up to this level, not in a straight line, but I think that is what price is going to do, right? And I'm going with that with a fair degree of confidence that that is what I'm expecting. So all I'm waiting for now, okay, is for price to pull back down again. It might pull back, it might not pull back, okay, but if it does pull back, then I'll be looking for entries at around this level over here, which is 11,046.04 or possibly 11,564.79. all right? At the same time, it doesn't have to do any of that. It could just continue pushing up. So all basically that I'm waiting for now is I'm waiting for a nice comfortable area, right, within this structure where I could potentially put in sales if I believe it's going to come back down, that's what I think is going to happen anyways. I think this trend line over here is going to break. this trend line is going to break, right? And when it does break, it's breaking only to go back up again. So it's not breaking to go down some more, it's breaking only to go back up again, in my opinion. That's what I think is going to happen. Will it happen? Who knows? Okay, so with that said, guys, all I'm going to do is just monitor the situation, see what happens, and then we take advantage of it. And I'm going to do my utmost to release as many technical analysis video this week. I will do my best, but if it doesn't happen, you can at least expect one video from me per week. But hopefully I can do a lot more this week and just help you guys out as well as help myself out at the same time. So with that said, guys, if you haven't done so already, before you leave, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the notification, and also hit the like. All of these things will cost you absolutely nothing, and it may or may not help you, but obviously you know best, so you do what you think is right for you in regards to this, in regards to subscribing. But I hope you do subscribe, right? Okay, so with that said, guys, I want to thank you for giving me your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. So for now, this is Pips and Points signing out.